8th chapter, Measures of Dispersion. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 2A, part 14. Last part completed coefficient of variation formula and coefficient of variation model problem. Today discuss unexpected 7 marks problem in IB examination by using coefficient of variation formula. What is that? From the prices of share X and Y. Share X and Y given below for 10 days of trading, find out which share is more stable. Here X comma Y are shares. In these shares 10 days trading shares are given. X shares are 35, 54, 52, 53, 56, 58, 52, 50, 51, 49. Similarly, Y shares is 108, 107, 105, 106, 107, 107, 104, 103, 104, 101. These are the 10 days shares of trading shares X and Y. Which share is more stable? You can find. First of all, you can find which share is more. You can find coefficient of variation of each share. First, you can find X coefficient of variation. After that, you can find Y coefficient of variation. What is the formula of coefficient of variation? Coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation are denoted with the CV. CV equal to formula 6 sigma by X bar into 100. First, you can find the coefficient of variation of X share. Coefficient of variation of share X. Share X is what here? CV suffix X is equal to sigma suffix X by X bar suffix X into 100. This is the formula. In this formula, you can find X bar mean, X bar suffix X mean and sigma X bar standard deviation. First, you can find what is the X here? X 35, 54, 52. First, construct the table. Construct the table. In this table, we can find first X shares. Suffix nothing but X side. X shares nothing but X side. What is the values? 35, 54, 52, 53, 56, 58, 52, 50, 51, 49. These are the shades of the X. That we can write X suffix. This is the capital X shades. Add these all, you get X bar. X bar suffix X bar equal to sum of the observations by number of observations. Here number of observations is what? Number of observations is 10. N value is 10 or given. What is the summation of X? Add this 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 12 20, 26, 29, 31, 35, 40, 0, 8 plus 5. How much? 8 plus 5, 13, 18, 18 plus 5. How much? 23, 28, 38, 48, 51. This is a 5, 10. This is a xi value. Summation of xi value is how much here? X is x equal to 5, 10. This total value is 5, 10 by 10. 10 can get cancelled. You get x bar value is 51. This is the x share. You can write just you can x. After that, the variance. What is the variance formula? Sigma square x equal to summation of I is equal to 1. So n xi minus x bar x whole square by small n. This is the formula. In this formula, you can write first. You can write variance. What is the variance? You can write variance. In this variance, you can write first xi minus x bar. What is the value of xi minus x bar? Xi value is 35 minus x bar 51. Xi minus x bar suffix x whole square. Just xi minus x bar. 35 minus 51 how much? 35 minus 51 minus 16. 54 minus 51 3. 52 minus 51 1, 53 minus 51 2, 56 minus 51 5, 58 minus 51 7, 52 minus 51 1, 50 minus 51 minus 1, 51 minus 51 0, 49 minus 51 how much? 49 minus 51 minus 2. After that you can write xi minus x cos of x whole square value. What is that value? You can write minus 16 square. How much minus 16 square value? 16 square value 256. 3 square value 9. 1 square value 1. 2 square value 4. 5 square value 25. 7 square value 49. 1 square value 1. Minus 1 square value 1. 0 square value 0. Minus 2 square value 4. Add these all. 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 15, 20, 24, 25, 25 plus 9, 34 plus 6, 40. This one is the 4. 4 plus 4, 8, plus 2, how much? 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Remaining 2 plus 1, 3. 350 is this value. You can find the sigma x square. This value is 350 by this 10 value is 10. 10 get cancel, sigma x square value is 35. After that, you can find the sigma, that is standard deviation. Sigma x equals square root of 35. Square root of 35 value approximately how much? Square root of 35 approximately 5.9 something. Square root of 36 6. 5.9 something. This is a sigma x value. After that, we can find the coefficient of variation of x shape. Coefficient of variation of x shape formula sigma x by x bar into 100. Here sigma x value is approximate value 5.9. X bar approximate value is 51 into 100. Nothing but you can write 590 by 51. 590 by 51. 590 by 51 you can resolve. 51 ones of 51, remaining at 0. 51 ones of 51, remaining how much? Remaining you get the bar, you have to take 9 to 29. You have to take decimal, this one is 0. 51 fours are 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. Nothing but 51 fives are 5 fives are 25. 51 six are 6 ones are 6, 6 fives are 30. Nothing but 51 fives are. 51 fives are how much? 51 fives are 255. 255. Remaining what? Remaining here 5 is there. Here plus 3 is there. 35. After that you can take 0. 51 sevens are 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. 51 six are correct. 51 six are. This is approximate value is 11.56. 11.56 approximate value of x share coefficient of variation. X share coefficient of variation completed, arithmetic mean completed. Next it goes to y share. Y share nothing but formula is Cp suffix y is equal to sigma x suffix y x suffix y bar into 100. This one is the formula. Xy bar equal to sum of the observations by number of observations. Number of observations is 10. First you construct the table y. This y share you have to take excess of the observations 108, 107, 105, 105, 106, 107, 104, 103, 104, 101. These are the observations of y shape. In this observation, you can add these orders. You can add. Add your 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 19, 25, 30, 35 plus 42 plus 8, 50. Nothing but 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 0, 5, 0. Sum of the observations is 1, 0, 5, 0 by number of the 0. Get cancel. X, Y, 1, B is 105. After that it goes to variance. What is the form of variance? Sigma y whole square equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x suffix y bar whole square by small n. This one is the formula. In this formula you can write xi minus x suffix y bar. What is that? What is that formula? That formula here you can write observations is first observation is 108. 108 minus 105 3. 107 minus 105 2. 105 minus 105 0. 105 minus 105 0. 106 minus 105 1. 107 minus 105 2. 104 minus 105 minus 1. 103 minus 105 minus 2. 104 minus 105 minus 1. 101 minus 104 minus 4. After that it goes to xi minus xy bar whole square. Squaring all terms you get what? Squaring all terms. 3 square value how much? 9. 2 square value 4. 0 square value 0. 0 square value 0. 1 square 1. 2 square 4. Minus 1 square 1. Minus 2 square 4. Minus 1 square 1. Minus 4 square 16. All terms. 6 plus 1 7 plus 11 12 16 17 plus 4 21 plus 9 30 0 3 is there 4 only 40 is there. This value is only 40. That value substituted in this formula you get sigma by whole square equal to this total value is how much here? 40 by 10. You get what here? You get 40 by 10. 40 by 10 nothing but approximately value is 4. This is the sigma y square value. After that, the standard deviation. Standard deviation sigma y is equal to square root of variance. What is the variance? Square root of variance is 4. You get 2. After that, you can find coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation y share is sigma y by x suffix y bar into 100. What is the value of sigma y? Standard deviation 2 by x y bar value 105 into 100. You get 200 by 105. 2 into 100, 200 by 105. You can calculate 105. This one is a 200. 105 ones are 105. Okay, students. 105 twos are 210. Remaining how much here? 1 have to take 5 9 95. We have to take 0.0. 105 nines are 945. 95 is 105 nines are 945. Remaining subtraction 5. We have to take 0. 1 second we have to take 0. 105 fives are approximately 4s are. This is the value of 1.904. This is the coefficient of variation of y is approximate value is 1.904. Here this share x share, mean of x share is 51. Mean of y share is 105. Mean of y share is mean of x share is less than mean of y share. Similarly, here observe that coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation of x share is 11.56. Coefficient of variation of y share is 1.904. Here also be coefficient of variation of x share is greater than coefficient of variation of y share. Here in these two shares, mean is which share is greater? Mean is y share is greater. Variance coefficient of variation y share is lesser. Then y share is more stable. In these two shares, which share is more stable? Y share is more stable. Why? Because y share is more stable. Y mean is greater, that's why y share is more stable. Or coefficient of variation of y is less, that's why y share is more stable. In this problem, do in this way. Today assignment or homework problem is previous problem model. The scores of two cricketers A and B in 10 innings are given below. Here A comma B are two players. That two players 10 innings scores are given below. In these two players, whose is a better run getter and whose is a more consistent player? First of all, this is the score of A in 10 innings. This is the scores of B in the 10 innings. First, you can find the coefficient of variation of A player. After that, you can find the coefficient of variation of B player. In these two players, which player having smaller coefficient of variation, that player is more consistent player or more stable player. Okay, students. Or which player is maximum mean, arithmetic mean having, that player also be more stable or more consistent player. This problem you can do that previous problem model similarly. These two problems are unexpected problems in IB examination. This chapter, 8th chapter, measures of dispersion, can be completed. In this chapter, you can easily understood, you can learn and read and write formulas first. That formulas you can read and write perfectly, you can easily understood in this chapter and in this solve these problems. Okay.